To get the installation accurately, there's a paper that normally comes with the locks. In every carton, I think they put one. So this paper is the exact measurement for the key. So we're going to put it in the dummy to show that it fits accurately. So we first of all make sure that the holes that are opened fits this dummy. Then it matches the drilling, the holes that are actually drilled on the dummy. So meaning that before you start drilling your door, these holes must fit perfectly, just as it fits to this dummy. So first of all, we are going to lose this silver plate on the engine. So that's the perfect fit. Now to screw it. So the next step is to make sure that this part comes out for both the battery and the sensor. This is the battery for the battery, this is for the battery, and this is for the sensor. So this part must be out before this is screwed completely. Always make sure you check that. So now this is the key. So we're going to install this key in the rightful position. So if you look closely, there's an arrow showing here. That arrow here signifies this front of the key. It means this is the front of the key, this arrow direction. You should also always face this place, this latch should also always face it. This arrow should always face this latch. It means that it's in the correct direction. So now we have to install this. So once you put it here, it fits correctly, then just to tighten the screw. And that's all. So once you tighten it, then you screw. Once you screw, it's in position. So now I've screwed in the key. This is the key, perfectly positioned. This is it. It has been screwed. So after installing the key, it's now time to test it to be sure it works correctly. So it works correctly. So that's all what we need to know. It works correctly. It has been tested. So now the next step is to connect the sensor, the front sensor where you swipe the card. This is very important to put in. This is it. Okay, now we are going to put the other side of the lock. So first of all, we'll put the battery pack. The battery pack has been installed. I connected the connector. Then carefully place them here. So be sure we capture this. So I carefully place it here. So we've already installed the two. This has been installed. Watch how I put it here. So those two enters here, here, and here. So please remember, anything we are doing will be done carefully. Precision. Test it out. This is it. Then screw. So now all the screws has been tightened. The lock has been fully installed. Although I've not yet installed the battery, in our next lecture I'll show you how to install the batteries. Thank you. So now we're going to replace the battery. First of all, we just have to lose the two screws that are at the top of the back of the lock. So using the first one, using the second one, I can use my hands to unscrew. So after unscrewing, during the process of unscrewing, we have to be careful to make sure we fit in the battery in the correct positions. So these are the batteries now. Bring it out. First battery. So always know that the negative always goes to the spring side. Then while you are fixing, we should also listen for a beep, because when we hear that beep, it means the battery is properly fixed. So that's the beep. So it means our battery is properly fixed. So repeat the process. screw them back. Screw them back and tighten them. So that's all.